Alright guys, I'm making tinola. As you know, I love boiling the chicken first. I cut up some vegetables, okay, green onions, and some purple lettuce, and a little bit of tomato, just to, whatever, tortillas. If you have a strainer, get your spinach in water, and clean it, FDA, all that stuff. Whatever, coronavirus is already out, so I don't think it really matters. Anyway, there's the carrots and the bok choy that I cut up right there as well. The spinach is over here waiting. Okay, I got the onions and ginger. I'm going to be putting that first, and then I'm going to be putting my tinola seasoning. Tinola, tinola seasoning. And as soon as this is done, I'm going to show you the after. May mess up some coffee. Kind of hyper right now. Okay, took out the chicken and now making all the vegetables so that they're all soft and edible. And you guys are probably wondering why I'm using a tong. As if you're using your own fingers, and getting it all spread and tossing salad, whatever you guys want to call it. This is tossing tinola vegetables. Yep, Filipino Moroccan style. Anyway, if you guys ever get sick, just cut up some carrots, heat up some water with chicken broth, and some onions and lemon, and you'll feel better with just that, guaranteed. As soon as this is done, gonna add the chicken back in here, get the tinola seasoning going, and it should be finished. I'll show you in the next video. Okay, as you can see, you guys could smell that, huh? You guys could smell it. Anyway, this is the tinola seasoning. If you guys don't know what that is, ginger based soup mix. Okay, it's starting to look good in it. Yeah. One last thing is the rice. This is the measuring cups right here, and it tells you, don't worry, I washed my hands. And it tells you, what levels. I usually have it at 3 or 4. And then I stick my middle finger in there, just to see if it is up to water level. Okay. Now, I am going to put some garlic salt. This is the way I like my rice. Okay. And some parsley, and voila, start your aroma cookie maker, and should be good within 30 minutes. And then you could add your favorite meal. You don't have to make it like I do. I just like to utilize a lot of vegetables, guys. All right. Peace.